Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to install QBasic environment in your Windows 8, Windows 10 or Ubuntu machine. To install QBasic, you will require administrative permission. You may require help from your parents, teacher or some older relatives who have some computer knowledge. Installing QBasic is a two-step process. In the first step, you will install a software called DOSBox. DOSBox is a software that allows you to run MS-DOS operating system in Windows or Linux operating systems. It is a system in a system. You need not worry much about it. Second step is to download QBasic software itself. So let's begin by first downloading and installing DOSBox. We will first look at the steps in Windows. First, open your Chrome browser and type dosbox.com in the URL. This will open a site. Once the site is open, locate the download tab and click on it. This will open the download page. Locate the menu item for Windows and download Windows 32 installer. This will open a new site and your installer is downloaded. Typically, the installer file name will be DOSBox, some version number, and then win32installer.exe. This installer will get downloaded in your download folder. Click on Installer exe. Go through the process of installation. You can keep all default values and keep clicking on Next. First, Windows may ask your permission to install the software. You click Yes. It will show you license agreement. For this also you click Next. Click Next on this dialog box as well. It will ask you where you want to install. You can click Next and keep the default value as is. DOSBox then will be installed in the Program Files folder. Once the installation is done, you can close the dialog box. You can locate your DOSBox software in Program Files 86 folder. Once DOSBox is installed, we can go ahead with step number 2. In the second step, we need to download the QBasic software. This software is packaged as a zip. Again, open Chrome browser and type https://qbasic.net in the URL. This will open the site from where you can download QBasic. Locate download link and then click on QBasic for Windows link. This will open a new page. Download QBasic version 7.1. This will download pds71.zip file in the download folder. Create a new folder in your C drive or D drive as pds71. You can also have the name as QBasic. That is up to you. Copy zip file from download folder to this newly created folder. Right click on zip file and extract zip file to the folder. You will see several extracted folders in it. Now run the DOSBox application. You can search DOSBox application in the Start menu of Windows. Once DOSBox is running, you can run the mount command. Mount cd:/pds71. Remember, this part should be the name of your folder where you have extracted a zip file. This folder should have a subfolder like QBX in it. Then type C:. Type the following command: cd QBasic. If files extracted are sitting in another pds71 folder, then you may have to write a command like cd pds71 /QBX. If this is successful, you can simply type bin /QBX. This will open the QBasic editor where you can write your program. QBasic editor is a text editor like Notepad, but this will be helpful writing our programs. This version of QBasic will also be helpful to debug applications. Once you open the editor, you can see the different menu options. One optional setting you may want to do is setting the help path. If you need help in QBasic, you can press F1 anywhere. Contextual help page will appear. However, to make help available, you need to set up the help file path. This is completely optional and you can do it later. Select Options menu item by using mouse or pressing Alt Options and then select Set Paths menu item. In this dialog box, set the help file path as shown. Now you are ready to go. Let's quickly check the editor. There is a file menu where you can open files. Just press Alt key and then F key. You can open program files from this option. All standard file options are available in this editor. You can save your program using these options or open previously written programs. One more thing. As we saw in the previous video, program is nothing but a set of instructions given to a computer. Instructions are often called commands. Here I am writing the first command called CLS. I am typing it in lowercase, but the editor automatically converts it into uppercase. Same way, I am writing print command and it is automatically getting formatted. This improves the readability of the program. So don't get scared when something gets changed automatically. Now, we will quickly see how we install QBasic in Ubuntu. Installing QBasic in Ubuntu is very simple. You need to open the Ubuntu system command and then type sudo apt-get install DOSBox. This will ask you administrator password. Then it will install DOSBox. No need to go to any site to install DOSBox. However, you should follow the same instructions to download QBasic that I've covered earlier. I hope you now have DOSBox and QBasic running. Congratulations! Now you're ready to learn. We will start our next video in which we will start programming. See you in the next video.